Good afternoon, students. 12th accountancy. Last class we have studied calculation of interest on capital, and formula is interest on capital equal to amount of capital into a rate of interest per annum into period of interest. One format already I dictated. Next one, the illustration 5.1 journal entry. This method sum is board exam 3 mark sum. You write only in journal entry only. First I read the sum. Mannan and Ramesh share a profit and loss ratio is 3 is to 1. Ratio 3 is to 1. The capital on 1st April 2017, 80,000 rupees for Mannan and 60,000 rupees for Ramesh. The current account shows a credit balance is 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. Calculate the interest on rate 5%. The year ending 31st March 2018. Show the journal entry. Show the journal entry. The calculation formula is interest on capital equal to amount of capital into rate of interest. Amount of capital. First you write interest on Mannan capital. How much capital Mannan? 80,000 rupees. The rate of interest is how much? 5%. 80,000 rupees divided into 5% by 100. His answer is 0 cancel means 800 only you balance. 800 into 5 rupee is how much? 4,000 rupees. Next one, interest on Ramesh capital equal to 60,000 into 5 by 100 equal to 3,000. The percentage is 3,000. 5 is which one? 5 is capital, rate of interest is 5% only. 5 means what? 5 is what? 5%. The rate of interest is 5%. Okay, students, you write journal entry. Same date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. You write this using only in single page only. First you write journal entry is interest on capital. Which one is calculated this sum? Interest on capital. The interest on capital is DR. How much interest on capital? Totally the interest on capital is 7,000 to Mannan current account to Ramesh current account. Mannan current account is 4,000 rupees to Ramesh current account is 3,000. The total is 7,000 interest on capital. Okay, student, the interest on capital narration, interest on capital provided. The interest on capital, listen students, profit and loss account, which side you enter. Interest on capital is income or expense. Interest on capital. Interest on capital is expense. Expense means which side you write. In trading account and profit and loss account, balance sheet, last 11th standard, we are each and every student is clearly studied this part, trading and profit and loss account. This is you very interested chapter, this chapter, each and every student. Correct. This profit and loss account, the interest on capital is expense only. Profit and loss account, you write only DR side. Okay, students. Next one, you write a profit and loss account DR to interest on capital account CR. Profit and loss account, which side you write? DR, profit and loss account. DR to interest on capital. CR, narration, interest on capital. Closed. Okay, students, first you write that two persons capital and rate of interest. You calculate only rate of interest only you calculate. Okay, students, next one, important methods of sum. Anthony and Akbar were partners who share a profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. The balance in their capital account on 1st January 2018. The balance to their capital account January 2018 was Anthony 60,000 rupees, Akbar 40,000 rupees on 1st April 2018. Anthony introduced additional capital. Anthony introduced additional capital. Akbar introduced additional capital 5,000 rupees during the year calculating interest on capital. During the year calculating interest on capital 6% for the year ending 31st December 2018. Okay, you write solution. You write solution. First, you write each each person is separately you write. First person is which one? Anthony. Second person is Akbar. First you write interest on capital, Anthony's capital account. First you write interest on Anthony's capital account. On opening the capital for 1 year. 1 year means which year you investment? How much? First year. 1st January 2018, 60,000 rupees. How much? 60,000 rupees. On opening capital is 60,000 rupees. Opening capital is how much? 60,000 rupees into 6 by 100. 6 by 100. 6 by 6 is which one? 6 is that is 6%. 6 is 6%. The 0000 is cancel means balance is 600 only. 600 into 6, 36, 36,000, sorry, 3,600 answer. 00 you cancel means balance 600. 6 6 are 36, 00. Answer is 3,600. Next one on additional capital. Same additional capital is which month you introduced additional capital? On 1st April 2018. Actually business opening capital is which month? January is opening means closing month is which one is closing month? December. Which month is closed? January opening means closed which month? December. April opening means closed March. 1 year means 12 month only calculated. This is opening capital is January means automatically closed December only. The additional capital is how much? Akbar introduced in April. April means January is opening. April another additional capital. First January you introduce first capital, initial capital is 60,000. Next after 4th month you introduce in additional capital. April means April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many month? 9 month. 9 by 12. Listen students, on additional capital for the month of 9 month. How many month? 9 month. April month additional capital on April means closed is December only. You start first you January only so start the business means automatically closed is December only. Okay students. Same. Additional capital is 10,000 rupees into 6 by 100 into 9 by 12. 9 by 12. 12 means what? 1 year calculate month is 12. But the additional capital is after third month only introduced in additional capital. Is amount is 450. The Antony's capital amount already opening capital is interest on capital is how much? 3600, and additional capital amount is 450. The total is 4050 rupees. The total is 4050 rupees. Next one, interest on capital on Akbar capital. You separate heading you used. First one is Antony's capital account. Second one is Akbar. On opening capital in 1 year, opening capital is which month? January is opening capital. How much? 40,000 into 6 by 100. 6 is what? 6 is 6 percentage. 6 percentage is how much? By 100. 6 means this word is this number is 6 means 6 percentage. 0 cancel means 400 into 6 into equal to 2400. Next one, additional capital is 5000. Akbar introduced additional capital 5000. Additional capital is listen students, one important, you note it down. Akbar introduced additional capital 5000 only mentioned. This 5000 mentioned, but Akbar which month you introduce? Is date or month not mentioned. Not mentioned means you additional capital introduce, Akbar is not given. Interest on additional capital you calculate in average period. Average period means 12 month means average period is 6 month. You calculate only in 6 month. Each and every sum you not mention means automatically you calculate only 6 month. Additional capital is 2 persons month and year. You mention means that month you calculate. But one person mentioned, another person is not mentioned means you average period only you calculate. Listen students, additional capital some 2 persons month is mentioned means you calculate that month, you calculate counting and calculate. But one person is mentioned, another person is not mentioned, you calculate in average period is 6 month only you calculate. Average period only you calculate in average period 6 month only you calculate. Okay students, in additional capital in 6 month, 5000 into 6 by 100. 6 by 100 which one? Percentage into 6 by 12. 6 means which one? That is average period. 6 is a average period. Your answer is 150. The 2400 plus 150 add 2550 rupees. Listen students, opening capital, closing capital is, opening is January means closing December only, but opening is April means closing which month? March only, end of the month. But this sum is January is opening means automatically closing month is December, average December month only. Okay, listen students, opening year January means closing is December, is additional is another month means that month you calculate in how many month. Is January means opening means closing December, Is additional is April means April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is 9 month calculate only. But another person is not mentioned means you calculate in average period 6 month. Calculate for average period 6 month. You mention only one person. Another person additional capital in month is average period only you calculate. Average period is 6 month. Average period is 6 month. Okay students, next one new sum. Illustration 7. The capital account of Arivalagan and Srinivasan on 1st January 2017 showed a balance of 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. On 1st July 2017, Arivalagan introduced additional capital on 5,000 rupees. On 1st September 2017, Srinivasan introduced additional capital is 10,000. Calculate on interest on capital 6% for the year ending 31st December 2017. Listen students, this sum additional capital is meant 2 persons additional capital mentioned in the month. One person is July, another person is September. Your opening month is which one? First you read 1 or 2 times you read. First one is 1st January is opening month. 1st January is opening month means automatically closing month is December only. Okay students, first solution you start calculating interest on capital. Interest on capital is how much? 6%. First you write one time in formula. You write one time, you write formula. Interest on capital equal to the amount of capital into rate of interest. Rate of interest into period of interest. First one is opening capital is first year how much? 15,000 rupees. Arivalagan and Srinivasan. First you can write in Arivalagan interest on capital 15,000 into how much percentage? 6%. 6 by 100. 6 by 100 equal to the amount is 900 rupees. Next one on additional capital is which month you introduced additional capital Arivalagan? 1st July 2017. 1st July 2017. July 1st July. July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 6 months. 1st July means starting month. July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months. 6 months means 5 additional capital is how much? 5,000 rupees. Percentage is 6 by 100 into the how many months? 6 months. 6 by 12. 6 by 12. The answer is 150 rupees. 150 rupees. The total is 1,050 rupees is Arivalagan interest on capital. Arivalagan interest on capital. Next one, Srinivasan. The Srinivasan capital is how much? Srinivasan is capital is 10,000 and additional capital is 5,000. Additional capital is 5,000. The Srinivasan opening capital is how much? 10,000. 10,000 into 6 rupees. 6 means what? 6%. The rate of interest 6% by 100 equal to 600 rupees. Next one, additional capital. Additional capital, the month of which month you introduced in additional capital? 1st September. Which month is introduced? September. 1st September. September, October, November, December. September, October, November, December. How many months? 4 months. 4 months. 10,000. The additional capital is how much? Additional capital? Srinivasan is additional capital is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 into 6 by 100 into 4 by 12. 4 by 12 means what? 4 by 12 is additional capital. Which month you introduce? Additional capital, the introduce of the month of September. September, October, November, December. 4 month. 4 by 12 equal to answer is 200 rupees. Answer is what? 200 rupees. The total is already opening capital is 600. The additional capital is 200. Totally 800. Totally 800 rupees. This is his 3 mark or 5 mark sum. Interest on capital. Interest on capital is profit and loss account is which side you reflected? Profit side or expense side? Profit side means CR. Profit and loss account. Profit means CR. Loss or expenses DR. The interest on capital is on reflected in profit and loss account DR side only. Reflected in DR side. Interest on capital means some capital you borrow in investment. Investment in capital means you pay interest. That is expense only. Okay, students, you everybody understood? You any doubt means you next class, live class, you ask, you clear your doubts. Listen, students, the sums you write in your class work. Okay? Listen, students, you write clearly, write neatly. Okay, very, very important chapters, these chapters. Okay, students, next one class, we will discuss next one, new topic. Students, do not waste your time. This same method, book exercise sums, do it. Do not waste your time, students. Time is very precious only. This time is a very good opportunity is your reading, studying or improving. This time you fully you useful to improve yourself. Okay, thank you, students.